time right now, 24 minutes of base, leave 10 a.m. already. Now, Naija FM, Money Runs, the show, your favorite breakfast show, Tuesday edition with Word of Bobby and Sharon B. And
Becca, please.
Now, sharp, you know, say we always follow up with the Big Brother Naija Season 5 where they go on right now. As I always talk, and once the pursue person come up for the ass, we not get any other choice than to welcome and come our ass.
Around they call you people in this. What's it with the word where you use the last time?
Less privileged people. Less Big Brother privileged people. So welcome them come our station, then ask them one or two questions so that we feel relate on top their doings, what happened during their time for inside the house. And today we get the hottest mama, the
energetic.
After Katrina, this one are the fire for the house. He quarrel with everybody for the house. Last small remain. Big brother call the fear Lucy. Call Lucy, they come become problem. They go to tell the first, please call Lucy.
You know, rich like that. For you, I beg go. Before you go return, we go diary room. I beg. Reduce your voice.
Off your mic.
You know where mic? Don't worry. You go get infringement.
Anyway, we'll get Lucy for the building to the welcome, my sister.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Happy to be here.
We like the fact that you get plenty energy inside the house.
Don't be small.
We'll go discuss those energy today.
Now carry come.
Yeah, you even still carry come here.
You remember that? I go finish.
I want your bag, you not remove your wig. I use your bag.
No. That was. I think get small shame.
Okay, now sharp. Momo, can start with our first question. How you feel when you find out that you be the next person to come out Big Brother?
I mean, they expect my own. You know, say the way matter they go, I don't feel say by 3rd week if I don't dey house. You understand? I don't define house for Lagos, but it surprised me say I still even they can't reach 7.
Why you feel like that? Why you feel surprised that you can't take past that time?
I don't know. I just feel say maybe people outside like me well because nothing else if you keep you like that. But I know say anytime where they go just outside go say okay, see Lucy here. Outside, I go be my own.
But the thing shock you when we say after the 3 weeks, people might say you come on, you not come on, you can't date up to 7th week. Now you believe say because you make mentions now say based on say people like you. Apart from that, you believe say now your strategy when you use inside the house.
No, because I don't get strategy.
Why be so I know they get strategy?
I don't get.
But Lucy, when you that first time maybe say you enter the house when Ebuka they ask you say ask question. Yes, you mentioned something like that. Say
no, he say
fight
love.
Love. Say you say you be Idiaboski. The pressure of war.
No, that one are just question where they go just ask you. Be like 3 questions where they come be like they'll just say. So you feel say now you go fall in love for the house or you go quarrel.
Now that fight
me I know say I no go catch love for the place because my love hard way.
Not that one.
No, I know.
But you call the catch feeling later now.
No.
So what happened between you and Prince?
I'll get that one. It don't day for a while. It don't be like some months. Touching body and good feels supposed to come.
Because
you know, I not seen. You know if you go past that one.
Hold on. You know why the thing surprise everybody?
Yeah.
Because we hear when you get quarrel with a version of a negi quarrel. I'm not here for man, no. I'm not here for man, no. You will just wear short things and be working and letting your men to touch you. So because that Lucy now very good girl. Now the girl won't like no Lucy, no. This now what you talk. Then few weeks later, the short thing when you are accused negi, when I call it weird.
No. I even waka go meet her tell her say me na the last person we go judge you on. The reason why I go meet her no be that one. I even tell her say the reason why I call meet you now say you be chick and I know say you get sense. I tell her that one say I know say you dey smart past this one. So I just feel say portray another thing because this side where they go not to look alright. But she take am another way say be like me I want one of the men.
But somehow no joke somehow you know after you talk to Negi. Negi dressing quite adjust. She comes up to the wear short thing. Now we come surprise when you start to the knack short things.
No, she still wear her short things.
No, your own eye with the talk because when you start to unveil your own, all of us time.
You know everybody you get, you know, be like the magician. They know they show all their tricks. So that's why you go they reveal.
So we say not bring short thing because you hide your own.
How for you? They go be me outside. They go carry things.
I want to ask you another question. At the point where you enter the house, when you come see, be like now you be the oldest female housemate. You feel say that age factor really affects you small for inside the house at all?
No,
because I feel say because that like that time you be say you fight with Negi. Negi they shout, act like your age.
No, they shout that one for
about the point she talked about your age. She talked something about your age too. I say, you know,
me I know say plenty people lie about their age. That one fit day. I feel that way. You go look person. No, 30 I'm proud any day.
10.
Perfect score 0404 1990. Perfect score, not shaking. So that one pure. I know. I know say my mind inside my mind I play past speaking self. So that one no for
and then one time also the R&B novel saying maybe this one I recently said maybe say when I don't know what do you get with Erica. Because Erica, they always feel like, say, whenever she be the head of house, so you know they cooperate. Even so many times, where we say she go for diary room section, she'd always tell Biggie, say, Lucy's not cooperating. Some of the housemates too, they actually complain. Say the moment they put you for inside their group, say it be like say
you always cause
say.
Now, may I will answer your question. You feel say the housemates, you know, you small, I think look you or. They look down on you because we notice so many times when you want to do tasks, you go bring idea, you start to the court and say, my idea, I bring down, I don't want to use that, this and that, what really
happen? I feel say they feel say maybe this one she not to know because she never travel out, she never do some kind of things where people do, you know, she know they do like this, so it be like she know they foreign and I accept them, but me I know say if say they follow some of the things where I talk, plenty of those things before they win. But most of the time when the issue won't go too far, I know what make problem there, I go just stop them. I go say, okay, no, while I'm no do.
You can't come on for the
yeah, but if you sit down and look 2 days later, another person go talk that same thing while I talk, they go can't take them.
So because that you can't feel like that they sideline you.
That's just my own, they know they take. So I they always tell another person. If I get suggestion, I go can't tell another person. That one go can't talk and they go take.
So you can't feel now saying that because you never get outside.
No, I don't feel anything. I just
because now you mentioned I'm saying maybe because you know they do like
I just
never travel out of the
country. I don't know their minds. I haven't read their mind. You understand? So maybe not. Maybe when they come go sit down.
So that argument where we say you get with Prince, waiting really suck with arguments where you get with Prince.
I don't get any argument. I just shout on top of my head. Me I can't the shock. I don't get any argument with them.
Because I not say you not believe. Normally with Lucy won't know if you tell her one you go talk 100. So we not say when Prince caution you only you saw because they call it wonder like wait here.
Like guy, where this one they come from now? We know necessary.
But where the disagreement? Because I know say Erica first start with Yam because she be head of the house.
Okay.
Then the next thing deputy just pick him up say oh boy. So waiting believe say trigger be don't they hold you for mind.
Yeah.
I no go no bro. That one a question we go answer when he come because I no know. Me if I won't know now say guy how far you sure say something be do there maybe power just don't come possess you small because I no understand.
But you know, so at that time, too, say you be the head of house too. At a time, they feel say, okay, as Lucy don't become head of house, say your tenure,
you go hard.
He hard somehow.
But no, your tenure hard now. What you say?
They talk say hard now.
Lucy, why separate? Lucy, what tenure was hard?
Why your tenure hard?
Last one remember for be like.
But Lucy, you need to ask her why your tenure hard like that.
Because the first tenure be they very slacked. Everybody relax where I need them pick up. So
now you give them problem.
Military woman.
Not be me even give that one. I don't write the first start and say as this Lucy don't date through now. Say guy, everybody go just adjust because military regime don't show and this one don't go take nonsense. Everybody on their own they arrange. I don't even talk like that. Everybody arrange themselves because it be like no one wahala with this one after this one. Everybody be after that time she they start to do again. Summer. But I happy say the thing I start they continue because when I start that thing make say we could declare up for morning. Some people talk, hot water go finish, leave us and all those kinds of things. Erica in particular, I remember her complaining. The hot water go finish, leave us. But at the end of the day, they stay, say, you know if you work, you know if you clean them for night before we sleep and all of that. Everybody come follow like that till now. Still they follow like that. So still they make me proud. Upon say they know they agree with
that legacy.
You know these things. We know these things. We know these things.
That's sharp. They get what you be not answer me correctly because we know say you be one of those female when we say you not really. I not to say okay you not get opportunity to take the tangled up especially for relationship. The closest one will be see now you and praise. The boy come up to say praise come out for the house then come to say come fall back again. Now what really happen now say you not see your spec for the house abi na say the guys no look towards your side, or na say na you no look. They
You
look
really
towards
say the
your
guys
side.
don't? Oh, bro, now one for you.
Oh, when you start to review all those questions.
But one for you. Bro, now one for you.
Honestly, get wetin Kayode no show us. But
They still name am Kayode Sha.
na you know the cameraman. So who you be feel say una for really dey close apart from Prince inside the house? Guy.
Nobody.
Nobody.
Because first of all, the dark skin people know many.
Oh, you know dark skin kind of. Oh, you like the chocolate dark
And they
dye.
get they robust, you understand?
Like
Get body.
make get body.
Like you now, we slim now. You
So
know
you know
get
they like
chance.
you know
slim guy.
qualify.
You know
Now,
get chance.
okay, hold on. I want just understand now. You they like tall and long?
I know what this question.
No, I just want to know so that
Who
more.
don't enter this street
Because
because this
everybody
street
listen
rough.
to you.
This street rough, brother. When we leave this street, when we leave this street, the street don't dey touch. When we just leave am.
Those
Make we
are not
just leave am. The
vibration.
bomb wey dey this road wey we dey go.
No,
If you
it's
start
not.
am,
No,
the
it's
journey
not.
You don't
far.
want to
Make you just think back. Make you think back to the person wey you dey talk to.
Okay.
Don't forget.
No problem.
So you get another question wey we say we dey always
Um,
ask the housemates, especially about both the situationship and the relationships for the
Matter.
house. So which of these situationship or relationship you feel say this one go make am house out of the Big Brother house?
Zero idea.
Ah.
Zero idea because you don't know, you no fit predict these things. You don't know who dey run things on the side. You just dey head. I no fit talk say I no know nothing as I dey so. And the more I dey outside, the more I dey realize say you no know nothing about.
So you dey try tell me now say Erica and Kidwaya, you know
I
get
don't
idea
know.
of Negi and
I have zero clue.
And Dorothy, well, Dorothy don't remove her.
Also, and
No.
oh okay, no.
no, you
I
help
don't
Dorothy come up for the channel. You know say na Lucy.
Na Lucy help am.
They say don't do that, don't do that with my friend. You get.
And I enter wahala because now wetin make me and Nengi get issues
Get
now.
issue,
Yeah, so na person matter. Now another thing why they talk say no be my matter with person. I no quarrel with person say okay because of man or because of food or because of anything. It just be say I dey try look out for my friend.
Oh.
Now it I dey always get issues.
Okay.
So for your time now in the house now, if they ask you say who get the highest chance to win this money now, who you think say among the housemates? I know say no apart from Dorothy, because I know say Dorothy na your friend. Apart from Dorothy.
Just this is here. At least you don't
This
dey
is
outside,
here.
you don't see wetin dey happen.
I never even see plenty like that, but now the person where I wish say he go win.
That was why I said apart
Maybe
from Dorothy.
Dorothy.
No,
Oh.
na tricky.
Oh,
Because the guy get luck, and I feel say he need am too.
Oh.
I feel say he really need am. Yeah.
Now sharp, all of us see wetin happen on the very day when we see the VTU.
Okay.
We see the disqualification of Erica. We see the whole drama when it goes up. We notice you for the background because once in the quarrel, we don't see the like waka around small.
But that day I no dey. I purposely no dey.
Not there. We can't say you not there around too much.
know
But
dey.
later you come outside, come to get info from Dorothy
Yeah,
and
and they
Prince.
shock me, and I still come out, enter my house, go sleep, only to sleep finish, come wake up next day. Another one don add
quarrel
on
comes
top.
up. So I go like wetin be your own take for the whole. You believe say now wetin suppose dey avoidable for Erica side on top that whole arrangement wey happen Saturday night towards Sunday morning.
Yeah, I don't know.
And you no
Lucy.
this is just talk.
No,
talk
I
to me.
dey try reason am because I don't know how she dey feel. I don't know the level where she dey for her personal
Life.
things, stage and everything as at that moment. Because the pressure much, stress dey, mental stress dey. If you know they wan show am.
Okay.
But mental stress dey on people, so e dey possible say she dey go through things, other things wey dey make her react certain way. You no go know.
Okay.
Na why I dey tell you say me I no know wetin lead to all that one last. So, but I feel that yesterday I say she don arrange herself again. She dey alright. So.
You don't hear from her since. Anyway,
No,
I don't
person-
really
nobody
get
dey hear
close
from
relationship.
anybody.
Now
Anybody.
don't, but we think say both of them comot for the place at the same time.
No, that one I don't know. I know we
You
know
know,
they
okay,
see
you
this
never see
matter.
her
Now
since.
nobody they see anybody. You on your own. You on your own.
Now, this one when you talk, so we remember clearly for inside house, we didn't make not you better say after this house, I don't want get relationship with anybody. Now when you don't come outside, we hope say you change minds or.
You know say most of the things even when I dey house, now so I go dey back. When time reach.
Thank God say don't agree in the back. Finally, Lucy don't agree. Oh.
So yeah, it's just mostly empty threats. So
Okay.
yeah, so but I don't know. Now that okay, now I don't come on. But then again, the whole show na just show as it be. So it depends on how person go relate for outsiders. We don't come now and we go flow.
Okay.
So possibility they say you fit
They,
dey
we go
close.
still work, we go still talk. No be like say anything, nothing personal. You don't finish, you
You
don't
don't
finish.
finish,
Then
okay,
end.
okay.
So as you don't leave now, waiting you miss pass for that house. Now the Saturday night party or now your diary section or the dance arena.
In fact, what will be your favorite
And at
thing?
the arena game,
That's
Sat-
big you
that's
boys.
Saturday.
you say
You really
wait.
doesn't
Big
like mature
voice.
men.
I don't know if big in a mature man now.
Okay, sorry, you said fat people.
Oh, it sounds fun. How you gonna know that one from?
The
Eh?
voice
voice fat.
is
It's thick.
I don't know.
But what will be your favorite thing about the Betway Arena games?
The fact that every game, every Friday, you don't know what to expect. You never see the game before. Unlike HOH game, you know what to
You know what to expect.
But even there, you don't still know because the obstacles go there
You
different.
go there, yes, true.
So, but that one, every time you go just enter, you go shock, go there scream, hey! Because you go see new things. You go see something will be like saying, nah, easy thing we go fit do when you reach there.
No, say no be small thing.
You go spend 3 minutes they blow balloon.
So if they give you on a scale of 1 to 10, how you go take rate your performance for that Bet Arena game?
I try. I think I
1
try.
over 10.
1 over 10. Which number?
7.
11.
7.
Yup,
No,
seven.
I don't break scale. Oh. No, I don't win anyone. Now I go give 11. 7. I beg. Put me down.
Okay,
Put
now
me
Shasha, I
down.
better ask you this better question because one of my colleagues, Lady J, get one personal question to just ask you, so I'll give my chance to ask that question. Now, waiting be the pole when they use for gymnastics, waiting they call them the pole.
You want maybe give you options?
Oh yeah.
Option A, uneven bars. Maybe give them options. Option B.
Bro, this one don't like me, Sha.
I like it.
Option B, even bars.
Or even bars.
Hey, make way, make way,
Don't
make
give
way,
an
make
option.
way.
Anyway,
know,
Lady J,
you
you
think
get
I'll come out my
personal
brain?
question. Oh yeah, sharp, just ask him before. Lady J, because in one of your big fan after Erika and you they support so.
Na second choice I be now. Wow.
Don't worry. We go sort that one out. Lucy, one of the things where I observe now say most of the housemates feel say you get negative energy, and I dey wonder why them feel say you get negative energy. Number 2, and you see say you dey very emotional. Small thing now. You go dey cry.
Rivers of
The
the
quick
Lord.
caution.
You can't be like say because you be the fraud for this season.
Man, and they laugh fraud that year. Fraud, I beg, no vex. Bro, no vex, I beg, I apologize.
So why did they see you like that? I guess something else where you they do.
No. The thing is, they go only see the shouts. They no go see when you don't go settle with the person where you get issues with.
Kind of they know they show that one.
No, maybe they show here, but those ones like the way me I know they know everybody gist too.
Yeah.
So people for the house, I know they like do something of person eye. Where be say now only when person there you go come they loud or no my own na me and you. If na me and you get problem, na me and you get problem, na two of us go settle
settle
down.
right.
So but they go they feel say I suppose come do am loud the way the thing be happen. So me self if you won't get the issue self, you better make me and you enter room, two of us alone.
Discuss.
Get this
Maybe you
matter.
enter room.
Make the thing tight.
No see.
So if you go tie rapper, the thing go tie rapper well.
Okay.
So but for the crying owner, no, that one I no be person wey fit hide my emotions. I no fit.
So
feel
normally you
sad.
go before the people and you dey always express your feeling.
Yeah, that one dey o.
Normal.
Straight up.
How many
Straight up,
times
as
boy
my
don't
man
break
dey
your heart? They don't break your heart before.
Hey, no that task. You know see that task where I dey write emotional poetry. You know yeah, that one for you. When they say they don't abuse me.
Lady J say she get another
Okay, so
question.
Okay.
so that now who you be, you get emotional. Now you get this very very I won't say tight bond with Katrina. That is you dey loyal to her even though she know day house. You get one of your diary sessions, you tell Biggie say because he actually say if you get the opportunity to bring somebody down, you say you go trade everybody for Katrina.
Yeah, I would.
So wetin bring about that bond, that closeness?
Una know each other before now.
No.
Because
No.
even for outside, Katrina carry your matter for head.
Yes.
And I don't even know. You get.
Yeah.
It just be say for inside the friendship where she show me on the inside.
It dey pure.
It dey real. And you go feel these things. If person no like you go know. You waka enter here now the way they react, you self go know.
Yeah,
I go waka
sure.
enter room, meeting go scatter. I know say
This
con
one
dey
don
go.
set.
You don't over. You never even sit down but con dey go. Kind of situation. So but Katrina no go make you feel like that. That year now only she will be say I go dey sleep. She go say no more keep this one for Lucy. Make we all those kind matter. All those yes, now that kind of person she be.
Okay,
You go, she go see say you know they alright. She go come talk to you, kind matter.
Okay. Okay. Lady J, hope I don't come up for your struggle.
Me, I get another question maybe someone ask her
sharp,
because you know say at a point you get one of her picture where they trend full everywhere. Maybe say she dey make
The same pole and
Yeah. So this your business. How
Hope
long
you
you don't
continue.
start and hope you go continue after the Big Brother.
because Katrina know the plan
Yeah.
big restaurant for you already. Oh.
So we need to know.
I did not even know that word. Hey, Expo, Katarina. Hey, mad me. Anyways, yes, that was in Abuja during my NYC. So that was 2016, 2017.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, and apply, no worry, we go there alright. We go wear wig.
Alright, Lucy, any last word for your fans?
I love
Very
as in
well.
it shocked me. When I first come out, they tell me say make I hail my fans. I'm like, I have fans. They say you don't even have an idea. And last night these people kept me up till 5 a.m.
Wow.
and no sleep. And they were there interacting with every single post I made on Twitter the whole time. Even as I did here now, I don't tweet and say, "Mo, na they tune in, say I did here." They're like, "We coming through." I'm like, "These are my people."
You know, say all housemates get a name when they call their fans. So to be honest.
My own hallucination, no.
Hallucination.
Yes, so.
Hallucination. Now, Mr. Jeff will go build your house very soon. Come up for Nigeria. Now, so, now
My
worry.
nation. I don't even believe the whole nation, only me.
Oh yeah, now any last word for Betway to plug Big Brother. Yeah, thank them.
Betway. In fact, every game I think I lost weight because of all these sports and everything. I love the trivia. I used to look forward to it. So because I get to learn. Yeah, and then the Friday Arena games too. I look forward to them because they knew something. You go to doubt yourself until you go reach there. You go shock you waiting you sabi do. Like the day when I play one golf thing like that, it shocked me. I never played golf before. I just knock at the thing and I'm like, oh wow. Yes, and then Big Brother Naija as a whole. The platform I already knew, even going there for a week would be worth every single second because the platform is large. I already expected that. I told myself, even if I came out from the house and saw pure water, I knew that I would blow.
You know,
And I'm very grateful. I know, I'm just saying, even if it was that bad.
You know when they will dash car very soon.
Very
Lord, oh. I like trucks.
very
I like
soon.
trucks. I like them very bogus and black.
You don't specify.
I'm really grateful for every single support I've gotten. Believe me, I'm seeing everything as I sit down. So since they tanana for the account and they see everything. I beg, I lie down for ground and greet everybody. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you for every work everybody has put in. I am very grateful. Even if now one vote you vote, believe me, I not take for granted. Thank you.
You don't hear them. You don't hear
Blow
them.
that kisses now.
1 million kisses for only you. Each person. Thank you.
We thank you, Lucy. Say you come through reason with us today. We wish you plenty blessing on top of this your new level when you do so. All the things, all your heart desire go fall in line.
Amen.
We hope to hear from you.
You receive now pass for the prophet
And they catch up for the air before the thing go cold.
So thank you. Say you come through today. Now still Naija FM. Now you position put money runs with Arambi and Becca Blaze.
Yes, girl.
You don't hear the voice of Lucy. Beated Big Brother Naija season 5 housemates done here with us right now. We'll knock you some choreographed music.
We need to ask her which Naija music is the best for
What
her
is your
for the
favorite?
year so far.
When we dey house, I dey hear some kind things. Baby, na you ginger me,
You know
and then this other, yes, na Rema, and he get one other one where they wake me up anytime,
Which
any
one of
day.
them?
Hey,
Talk. Let us know.
lo. Hi.
You like it?
I don't even know who sing that. I think say na whiskey. Something lo. Hey, till they wake me from
Lucy, you go hear what for this Lagos, so for this your lo.
that lo. I said once I hear from my sleep, now so I go wake up begin dey.
You know what? Say I don't vex. I want give you lo.
I beg give me.
I want give you
Give me, I'm ready to
lo.
collect.
I want give you lo. Make
The
you wait.
people when they watch live, they'll see you move well.
You will not lie, this one.
You get what you do, Lucy. He said, "Man, give her lo. You go collect."
I think say that street where you want enter, you be there very soon.
No, if my wife hear it, your record now. Problem again.
That
Enjoy.
time say the street dey very slippery, so make you dey careful that street where you want take. Oh no enter there.